What is crypto trading? Crypto trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins to make a profit. It works similarly to stock trading but operates 24/7 and is highly volatile. Types of crypto trading. 1. Day trading, making multiple trades within a single day. 2. Swing trading, holding for days or weeks to capitalize on price swings. 3. Scalping, making small profits from tiny price changes very fast-paced. 4. HODLing, buying and holding long-term regardless of short-term volatility. Popular platforms: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, Bybit. Key tips: learn technical analysis charts, indicators like RSI, MACD. Keep up with news, regulations, hacks, coin updates. Risk management is crucial. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Use stop loss and take profit orders. Consider using demo accounts first.